String to ASCII, video 215. We tagged the helper functions section to find it easier. And then right down here is our string to ASCII function. It takes an input string, and if error checking is on, we're going to make sure that it is in fact a string, and then it has a length of 1, because we're basically using it as a char. If that all checks out, we're going to do the input string.char code at 0. That's going to get the char code for the first index within the string. That'll give us our output string, and we're just going to spit it out. That's all we're going to do. Then in our unit test section, which executes both on the client and the server, we're going to do these tests right here. And I also added tags to find this section. The curly braces I added here and here are so that I can reuse this function shorthand variable, because let is block scope, and therefore I can do that. What we did previously, what we did in this video, and if you want the source code, you can go here, you can email me here, you have been on this playlist. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.